What's up, guys? Fresco VK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. With the recent release of the DJ Khaled album, Father of Asahd, of course, you know we got to unbox these special friends and family Air Jordan 3, Father of Asahd, and another one. So we've got those both right here for you at Stadium Goods. And say less with all this talking, let's get straight to these shoes. So we're gonna start you guys off with the another one, Air Jordan 3. I can't say another one outside of the way that I'm saying it right now, because that's how DJ Khaled says it, so shouts out to Khaled. But here we have the box top, and you'll notice a lot of similarities within these two shoes right off the bat, but we bring to you the Air Jordan 3, yet to be released. I'm not sure if these are coming out yet or not. Another one. So the another one, Air Jordan 3. I'm gonna say that a million times throughout this video, but you'll notice right off the bat the leather upper throughout the entire upper of the shoe. Strictly tonal, so it's all blue leather. Rest in peace, my man Nipsey, and we'll get more to Nipsey in a minute. But we have the white outsole, of course with the black hit on the outsole with the exposed air unit right there. We have the elephant print, which is classic to the Air Jordan 3 styles. And you'll see hanging right off of these is the We The Best hang tag on these Air Jordan 3s. We're gonna go to the tongue area. We've got the leather tongue with the white Jumpman. And we also have the royal blue laces right there. Let's get to the back tab. You'll find the We The Best logo. And then the pull tab, and under the pull tab reads, still in the meeting, we the best and grateful. You'll see right there, still in the meeting, we the best and grateful. No, I don't say that in real life. This is just happening right now. But let's get to the outsole. So it's a royal blue outsole predominantly with a translucent kind of royal blue hit throughout the outsole. We've got the red detailing here, and we've got the red detailing also in the foot. And I'll give you guys, oh, wait, before we finish up, we've got an additional set of laces on the right foot, the white set of laces, and also the right shoe reads We The Best on the insole. We have the pull tab, once again, which reads Jumpman 23, Major Key, and Bless Up. I'll give you guys one last look at the another one, Air Jordan 3, and I'm gonna follow this one up with the Father of Asahd. All right, so here we have the Father of Asahd, Air Jordan 3, and just before we unbox these, just give you guys, of course, some more facts. Of course, the Air Jordan 3 was debuted to us in 1988, also designed by Tinker Hatfield, so this is another retake on a classic shoe, and we all know Michael Jordan, 1988, the dunk from the foul line, iconic moment in sneaker history. But here we have, once again, the box top. You'll see the red Jumpman, of course, detailing right off the bat. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments. So we have the Father of Asahd, Air Jordan 3. So major differences in the another one, Air Jordan 3 versus the Father of Asahd. And please make sure you guys go pick up that album, download it, stream it on all streaming platforms. We've got the suede, premium suede throughout the entire upper here that you guys can see. Toe area all the way to the side panels and inner panels. We have the elephant print once again, same elephant print detailing, excuse me. And a cool detail on this is a 3M overlay, which is right above that suede hit right there. So this right here that my finger's on is completely 3M. That runs into the toe box, all the way into the inner panel of the shoe. So you guys can see right there. We're gonna transition to the midsole. You'll see the white midsole and also another black hit. So these are very similar to the others that I just unboxed. Also has the We The Best hang tag. Also another cool detail. The tongue on this one is a royal blue 3M tongue, so that's actually really ill and cool. And with the additional shine, it makes me feel like, you know, Nipsey's in that new video with John Legend and DJ Khaled, so this blue shine just makes me think of my man Nip, so RIP once again. We have the white Jumpman right there on the tongue. Let's get to the pull tab. Once again on the left foot, still in the meeting, We The Best and grateful. Still in the meeting, We The Best and grateful. All three hashtags commonly used by DJ Khaled. Back tab reads the We The Best once again. Inner panel mirrors the outer panel. We have the red eyelets in the lace area. Once again, the royal blue laces that you guys can see right there. And the underlay of the tongue is fully red. So as we got the fully royal blue on the another one versus the fully red on the father of Asahd. And I'm gonna transition shoes. As we get to the right foot, you'll have the additional white set of laces, but these also come with an additional red set of laces, much like the red hit in the tongue area. It reads the "We the Best" on the inner panel. And we're gonna show the outsole on this pair, so you'll see the fully translucent outsole. We have the royal blue hit here, which is a little different from the another one pair that I just unboxed, the royal blue hit, as opposed to that one with the red. We have the same red detailing in the toe area of the outsole. Another cool detail that I missed, it's not just the tongue that's 3M, but the underlay on the full tongue right here is 3M. Not just the upper of the tongue, but the full tongue with the laces on the overlay. And I'll give you guys one last look at the DJ Khaled Father of Asahd Air Jordan 3. So we've just unboxed the Father of Asahd Air Jordan 3. So this is the suede with the 3M hits, and also the another one, Air Jordan 3, the one that's fully leather with predominantly all royal blue hits. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments. You rolling with the Father of Asahd? You rolling with the We the Best? This is all a follow-up to the Grateful series. We also have unboxed the Grateful Jordan 3s, which is the red pair. That is pretty old back on our YouTube channel, so make sure you guys check that one out. But you know we always have to pick one at the end. So these are actually like a little bit more than the Grateful colorway, because it's the royal blue, and once again, makes me think of my man Nipsey Hussle. We miss you. But I've got to lean towards the Father of Asahd as my favorite out of this group. And then secondly, I'll go with the another one, Air Jordan 3. But we have both of these available right here at Stadium Goods. And we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Follow us on all social media platforms at Stadium Goods. Make sure you guys download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. We genuinely appreciate you guys liking and sharing all of our videos, whether it be on Facebook, YouTube, and now Instagram TV. And last but not least, if you have any questions or any inquiries regarding anything Stadium Goods, Jordan 3s, Jordan 1s, Jordan 11s, anything you need, please visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salud.